Hey, welcome back. I'm Josh from Meadows Mirth Farm. This week's recipe from the farm, I am making a warm carrot salad with some roasted white beans. Really flavorful and really simple to make. Check it out. Alright, so I've got some local white beans here. I'm going to use a stovetop method, not soak them overnight because local beans tend to not be as dry as like your supermarket beans. Put it in a pot with some onion, some water, good amount of water, bring it to a boil, reduce it to a simmer for about an hour and a half, maybe a little longer, till just tender. Then I'm going to drain them, rinse them off, add some olive oil, some salt, toss those up nicely. Then I'm going to turn them out onto some parchment, and I'm going to put it in a 400-degree oven, spread it out a little bit, put it in a 400-degree oven for about 25-30 minutes. And while those are cooking, I'm going to chop up some carrots, do it into quarters so that way I can then use a vegetable peeler to make some like basically carrot noodles. Look at that light and fluffy, beautiful color. Then my beans, after first 20-25 minutes, I'm going to flip them, put them back in the oven for about another 7 or 8 minutes. There they go. And you can see, got a nice little crisp on them. Really delicious. A little crunchy on the outside, chewy on the inside. So now the simple part. We're going to saute the carrots, the beans. I'm going to add, obviously I did some sesame oil is preferred, but olive oil will work. And then the spice packet, you can find that on my webpage. I got that from Stock and Spice, sumac togarashi. Really good. And then when the carrots are cooked, I'm going to finish it with a little bit of white wine vinegar, or rice wine vinegar rather. And there you go. Alright, our carrots are done. Going to put a little bit of salt on there. Give these a try. It takes a while to cook this dish, but it really is worth it. And most of it you don't have to be there while it's cooking. Let's try this. Oh my goodness. The sweetness from the vinegar, the spiciness from the spice packet. Wow. The beans, a little bit of crunch, full flavor. It's a really, really good one. Great for winter. Try this one out. I really think you're going to like it. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good.